So how to stop your iPhone from unlocking in your pocket. Let's start with the very first tip. We're going to go straight into settings here and we're going to go and find display. So go to the display section where it says display and brightness, scroll down to where you see raise to wake and turn this off. Now, if this is off, you're not going to be able to see the clock when you go ahead and pull the phone up. So that might be a little bit irritating to you, but it will in fact prevent that issue where your phone is constantly unlocking or just lighting up in your pocket. So that's the first one. That's going to be one of the most effective as well. The next one is auto lock. Make sure that your auto lock is not set too high because, if you have it on and you forget to turn off the screen, it's just going to stay on in your pocket for an extended period of time. So I like to keep it anywhere between 1 and 2 minutes. This way it's not constantly turning on when I'm using the phone, but also will turn off when I need it to turn off. So for the next one, go into Face ID and passcode, punch in your passcode. Once you're in Face ID and passcode settings, scroll down until you get down here to where it says require passcode. Now you want to make sure that this is set on to immediately. This way that your phone will definitely always require a passcode, so it's not going to go actually into the phone. You can also use the attention aware features if you like as well. This will make sure you're looking at the phone to go ahead and make sure that it does in fact make sure it doesn't go into the phone without you not staring at it, so you're not accidentally pressing applications while in your pocket. So those are the main ways to fix this annoying issue, but I want to talk about one more bonus thing. It really kind of depends too on the case you have. If you do have like this ultra thin case like I have here, it doesn't really give too much protection around the screen there, so this phone could easily still be tapped in the pocket. But if you go ahead and place something with a little bit more thickness, it might help. Or if you get even more like a ruggeder case for your iPhone and you stick it in there, the borders might help protect you from having that accidental press on the device itself. But the main one that's really going to change the game for you, I feel like, out of this video is the raise to wake. That's the one that's likely causing you a lot of issues. So if you found this video helpful, entertaining, informing, or you just found it useful for this issue you've been having, let me know down below, and also support the channel by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more because I will be doing more tutorials and how-tos on iPhones going forward. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Nick here. Be sure to be well and peace.